Dear students, I am Sister Arulmozhi. I am going to take Science 1. During this lockdown, be safe, follow all our online and video classes, and if you have any doubts, you can clarify with me. Dear students, now we are going to see the lesson Matter Around Us. What is matter? Matter is nothing but anything that occupies space and have mass is called matter. For example, in your home, you can see the things, table, chairs, notebooks, clothes, vessels, water, etc. So, we knew that everything we see around that occupies space and have mass is called matter. Heat, light and sound occupy space but does not have mass. Hence, these are not matter. So, finally we can conclude that matter is composed of tiny little particles which cannot be seen with naked eye. So, in this chapter, first of all we are going to see about atom. What is an atom? The smallest unit of an element that exhibits the properties of the element is called as atom. So, for example, you can see this pencil. So, the graphite refill used in pencil is made up of element called carbon, isn't it? This is made up of graphite refill and this element is called carbon. So, we can break the graphite into smaller and smaller pieces like this. See, I can show this. You can see. I made it smaller and smaller pieces. So, finally, we will reach a point where we reach smallest constituent of graphite carbon atom. If we break that carbon atom apart, then it will no longer exhibit the properties of carbon. So, finally, we can say that the smallest unit of an element that exhibits the properties of the element is called as atom. So, all the matter is composed of tiny particles called atoms. Example, water, rice, etc. So, an atom is the basic unit of a matter. And then we can see the structure of an atom. See, you can see. I think is it visible for you?